Hello everyone, welcome to the live. It's nice to meet you and thanks for joining me live on this topic, affiliate marketing for beginners. Wow, it's nice to have you. Yes, I can see you there. Welcome to the live show where I'm going to show you the system I'm using and it's a game changer for me. If you want to make money online, please listen carefully to this. If you are a content creator, online entrepreneur, or you want to grow your social media page like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, then you need to take a look at this system called the Mega Link. The Mega Link, it does everything for you in a minute with the use of AI. You don't need to do all the posting by yourself. You don't need to write the content by yourself. It does everything for you on your behalf. Your own is just to open the system and just click the command. It will do all the posting, both the video reels, is going to post it, video, everything is in one link, done for you link. You learn. The one funny thing is you learn and earn at the same time. Done for you link inside the system. Just share the link and get paid like a 7-figure earner. Can you imagine? There is no much amount that you can earn. You can earn up to $500, $1,000, $2,000 in a month. Can you imagine? And it's just a token change to start. $7. With $7, you can get this entire system for a lifetime. If you want to learn more, check the link I am sharing with this live. Drop your question in the comment section. I will be happy to give an answer to it. Stand simple, stand consistent, and keep building your dream. Don't miss any of our training season by subscribing to any of our social media platforms. If you are watching me from Facebook, you can see our Facebook profile there. We have a company, Fusion Path Ventures. It's on the screen right there. If you're watching me from YouTube, you subscribe. You can see there, Edimatech is the profile name. Then you all get all the info from our newsletter and stay up to date with the next live video. I'm going to show you the Mega Link dashboard and walk you through step by step with the video. Everything you're going to see it. So what you need to do right now is for you to, don't forget, subscribe. If you're watching me from YouTube, if you're watching me from Facebook, subscribe right now so that you will not forget, you will not miss our new updates. See you in the next live.